Creating questions. How do, does, what, are we, am I, is she, like that. Are you, and be.
Kalau semangat tuh apa sih bahasa Inggrisnya, Miss?
Semangat. Are
Iya.
you? It can be encourage, ya.
Enthusiastic.
Ya, enthusiastic can be.
Enthusiastic ya.
Yes, enthusiastic.
Oke. Berarti how do you make student
Yeah, how do you make student feel?
Enthusiastic ya.
Yeah, feel
About learning.
enthusiastic about learning. How do I make student feel enthusiastic about learning? Then, when the student learns something, yeah, that must be for what he or she wants, right? So like I ask you first, yeah, I ask always my students at the very first meeting, yeah, what do you want? Why do you learn English for? What for? Yeah, I ask you the questions, and then at the time you said that I want can speak, right? Yeah, because and then I ask you again, don't you want to get another thing, yeah, from English? Because English actually can help you many, yeah, not only for finding job. Do you remember or not? I asked you that question.
Iya.
Yeah. So I was
Yeah.
saying, you can get scholarship and then you can continue your study with a master degree. I did say like that, right, to you? Yeah, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, so that's how I make my student feel enthusiastic about learning. Yeah, because when you just first you said, okay, I just want to speak English, Miss Tina. Yeah, after you can speak, yeah, after you can speak, what else? Yeah, so I tell my student that actually, yeah, after you can do more. You can do more. Not only getting job, not only speak English. Yeah, you can get money from that. Yeah. So you will put more effort, Eva. Yeah. Because when you only like this, you only say that I want to speak. Yeah. Maybe for job interview, ya, Fa. Maybe for job interview. Is that?
Iya.
Yeah. And then after that, yeah, I'm very sorry. Maybe you pass the job interview, and then you work in there. Yeah. But actually, English can do more to you. Yeah. English can give you lots of things. Yeah. But I was
Yeah.
in the beginning. I like you ask me these questions. Yeah. Because at the front, I'm not finished. Yeah, I'm not finished. Why? Because when I speak English, you udah worry. Ya, udah, oh, what is it, Miss? Gitu. Belum paham. You
Iya.
don't understand the whole one. Yeah. Now you understand more when I'm speaking English. Yes or no? Now do you understand when I speak English to you?
Sedikit-sedikit.
Okay, now you can answer. Yeah, that means you understand. Ya, you understand, you can guess. Ya, tapi pas di depan masih belum. Jadi nanti aja deh talknya.
Oh iya, iya.
Gitu. Nanti aja talknya ya. Ini baru today is our fourth session ya. One, two, three, fourth.
No.
I mean, four time meeting. I believe today is
Iya, for time meeting.
four time meeting, yeah. So in four time meeting, I
Yes.
can make you understand my sentence. I barely speak 90% now English. That's good. Okay, and then you can ask me questions. Very good also. How do you make student feel enthusiastic, Miss? Yeah. So this is what I want, and then after that, I will tell you why. I try to motivate my students. Yeah, using English to be success.
Yeah.
Using English to be success is not to get job interview only. Yeah. So after that, what else?
Mm.
I'm very sorry, Eva. Yeah. The salary that you get in Indonesia is low. Yeah.
Yes, of course.
Yes. But since then you told me, but I'm getting married. Oh, maybe
Yeah.
maybe Eva just wants to finish the 47 session and then married and then stay at home. I thought like that. Tadinya Misina pikir seperti
Mm.
itu ya. Udah
Mm.
47 kan sayang udah bayar ya at the front gitu,
Mm.
habisin aja ya. But actually don't learn because of that, Eva. Yeah. Don't learn because you want to finish the session only. Yeah. Your teacher can feel that. Yeah. Your teacher can feel that, and then okay, just teaching apa standar aja gitu. No, no, no. Try to get your dream, the higher dream that you can. Yeah. The higher dream that
Mm.
you can. How, Miss? Using English. Using English. So most of my students, yeah, the one that I switch in GE, yeah, the one especially in the communication class, yeah, now is not learning communication conversation anymore, but we are starting to do with IELTS. What is IELTS? Yeah, what is IELTS? IELTS is the yeah, IELTS is a process of you get certification, ya, itu kayak sertifikat. Nah, setelah itu kamu bisa ngambil scholarship. Miss, scholarship tahu ya? Do you know scholarship?
No, no.
Scholarship itu beasiswa, Fa.
Oh, oke.
Scholarship itu adalah beasiswa, beasiswa eh, yang Eva dapetin gitu. Kalau Eva punya sertifikat yang namanya IELTS, itu beda-beda.
Hmm.
IELTS itu skornya, skor IELTS itu kayak TOEFL ya. Skor IELTS sama TOEFL itu, kalau yang IELTS itu biasanya dapat beasiswa itu antara 6, pokoknya minimal 6 ya. Kalau skor IELTS-nya sendiri antara 1 sampai 10, Pak. 1 sampai 9.
Oh,
1 sampai 9. 6 itu udah dapat scholarship ya. Miss, untuk apa scholarship? Aku harus kerja, aku pengen punya uang. That's it. Kenapa? Ya, jadi banyak scholarship ya, terutama buat yang masih muda-muda seperti kalian ya. Eh, ada scholarship namanya LPDP, ada scholarship namanya AAS. Aduh, kamu bisa lihat itu di YouTube. Misina pun akan kasih kamu link ya untuk belajar sendiri tentang
boleh.
scholarship itu ya. Nanti kamu akan paham ya kenapa English itu important for your future, not for the job interview for God's sake, no ya. I'm not aiming apa ya, sambil dilakukan nggak masalah, sambil dilakukan nggak masalah ya. Tapi ada tujuan yang lebih tinggi lagi gitu. Tujuannya apa?
Hmm.
Kalau Eva kayak gini, Eva in 1 month ya, how much your income in 1 month?
Hmm. Yang kemarin, Miss.
Yes, in hospital around how much?
Sedikit banget tapi duaan.
Okay. How much your income in hospital? And then 2 million ya. Is that true? Only 2 million?
2 miliar. Ya, 2.700.000.
Yeah, 2.7. But what do you have to do ya? You have to rent room. Rent room 700. You have to buy
Ya.
your own food. Oke, food di rumah juga makan harus ini Miss gitu. But buying more expensive. So barely the total that you get is only around 1.8, maybe 1.7, right, Eva? Ya, right?
Sebulan dapatnya
Ya,
500-an mungkin.
500-an. Kok 500? Oh,
Ya.
sisanya buat apa?
Maksudnya sisanya kan ada itu keperluan lain.
Oh ya, ya, ya. Tapi kan keperluan lain itu kan memang kerja nggak kerja, you have to have that one kan, ya.
Yes.
Kerja nggak kerja juga Eva harus makan. Kerja nggak kerja, you have
Mhm.
to, give your mom. Kerja nggak kerja,
Ya.
pengennya nolong momnya bayar listrik, right?
Ya,
Ya.
ya, Miss.
At home also like that. So, okay, you get 1.5 around ya 1.5, but you have to work every day, right? From 8 to
Yes.
from 8 to 8 to
Uh,
what p.m. you finish working?
kan 2 shift ya, 2
Oh
shift.
ya, shift ya. We have double shift.
Mm-mm.
It's around 3 p.m. ya.
6
3 p.m. lah ya, gitu
6
misalnya.
p.m. Ya, ya, ya.
Oke, ya harus seperti itu every day ya. Like you are
Mm.
you are tired to cook, you don't have life apa ya? You cannot socialize ya, too tired, right?
Yes.
Kita pergi kemana-mana karena you have to be professional in office. Nah, terus kalau ada opportunity ya bahwa Eva bisa dapat 4 million in a month ya, masih dapat lagi transportation ya, masih dapat lagi uang kuliah free ya. Menurut Eva mana yang lebih menguntungkan?
Yang itulah, yang barusan.
Nah, itulah yang orang-orang nggak pada tahu. Why they
Oh,
learn English ya. Jadi kalau nanti Miss Ina nggak harus ngarang-ngarang sesuatu ya Eva. I've been teaching English long time ya. So I know the process. Only the student don't know. Mereka nggak tahu. Kenapa? Mereka pikir cuma nyiapin aja untuk interview, nanti get a job, and then after that that I have to speak English good gitu-gitu. Jadi belajarnya standar aja gitu, sedikit gitu. Tapi Misina nggak kasih students Misina sedikit, Pak. Kamu bisa lihat apa yang Misina buat kamu gitu ya. Nanti bisa kamu
yes.
pelajari sendiri ya. Jadi itu motivation, Pak. Kalau Misina jadi teacher yang lain yang hanya biarin studentnya, paling nggak gue udah ngajarin 47 sesi ya. 47 sesi ya udah selesai, ya udah job gue selesai. I'm not happy teaching like that, Pak. I'm not happy teaching like that ya. Dari dulu sampai sekarang Sina tuh kalau teaching based on students need ya. Berdasarkan apa yang dibutuhkan student in the future gitu. Dia butuh
Ya,
apa?
ya.
Makanya Sina nggak pernah dipecat ya. Kerja dengan orang Korea itu ya. My students are all Korean. We're all Korean. Korean students ya. Mereka anak-anak CEO Samsung, CEO Galaxy Tab, CEO-nya LG, CEO-nya Korean Bank ya. Anak CEO-nya semua
Ya, ya.
selama 25 tahun ya. Itu mereka lah. Jadi kalau gurunya memang tidak bisa apa ya? Kan kelihatan kalau guru privat itu ya. Nggak bisa
Yes.
dibohongin ya. Awal-awal mungkin terlihat rajin apa, tapi setelah itu gitu ada banyak kebosanan antara dua sisi ya. Anak Korea itu kalau les
Ya, Mas.
sampai 7 tahun les ya. Nggak akan ada yang bisa bertahan 7 tahun kalau nggak karena saling memahami gitu.
Benar,
Kenapa?
Miss.
Ya, gitu. Kenapa? Mikirnya ke depan, Fa, gitu. Jadi bukan berpikir, pokoknya bulan ini gue terima gaji, udah gitu. Nggak kayak gitu. Not like that ya. Not like that. Tapi balik lagi, kalau yang belum paham, ya nggak paham. Guru yang belum paham, nggak paham. Why teach English ya? Not only teaching the students ya, tapi juga kebahagiaan hati teachernya, tapi juga kepentingan si dan memberi info
Siswanya.
ya, dan memberi info ya. Maybe teacher yang lain itu belum pengalaman untuk mengarahkan karena belum sukses ya, karena belum sukses. Jadi dia nggak bisa tahu bagaimana mengajarkan orang untuk sukses. Oke. Teaching is a
Ya,
matter of,
benar, Miss.
for me teaching is a matter of passion, Pak. Ya. I'm not coming from rich family, ya. But I come from educated family yang percaya kalau
Ya, ya.
kita punya high education, ya, kita bisa sukses, ya.
Ya.
When I first time married, Pak, maybe we don't have anything, Pak, ya. But I have car.
Hmm.
I have already car. Why? Because I already teach Korean students. Yeah, my salary is in dollar. Yeah, that's because
Oh,
I
iya.
have skill. Yeah, that's because I live in another country. I live in Australia. Miss Sina dulu tinggal di Australia karena bapak Miss
Hmm.
Sina ngambil S2 di Australia. Ya, jadi kita
Terus Miss juga ya?
ya, ini sama dua kakak Miss, ya, sama ibu Miss, ya. So we have the experience
Oh.
of international work, ya. Apakah kita kaya? Enggak, Fa, gitu. Sampai kakaknya Miss Sina SMP, itu kita mesti ngontrak rumah di Jakarta. Okay,
Oh.
so I will
Iya.
say that we are not rich, ya. Dari dulu nggak rich, ya. But because I have experience, ya, because I have my skill, because I try to apa ya memperbaiki terus, ya. So I can create now seiring waktu, ya, apa yang Sina hasilkan, ya, itu semua adalah training dari dunia internasional, ya, training
Iya.
dari dunia internasional yang itu Misina terapkan pada semua murid yang jadi murid Misina, baik yang privat maupun
Hmm.
yang reguler kelas.
Hmm.
Come on, I encourage you, you can have it, ya. Dulu Misina tanpa tutor, Pak, ya, tanpa tutor.
Iya.
Tapi kalau kalian kan udah ada tutor. When you have me already
Iya.
as your tutor, follow my way. Ya, follow my way. Sekarang, Miss Sina itu sebetulnya udah PNS, Pak, sebelumnya. Tapi buat Miss Sina, PNS itu bukan pegangan gitu. Because it's not, yeah, yeah. My salary way much over in teaching the Korean, ya. 10 kali lipat, 15 kali lipat. Why should I surrender dengan PNS itu? Tapi kalau PNS yang menyenangkan, bikin otaknya Misina berkembang, nggak apa-apa. Tapi
Kalau
PNS-nya
enggak
nggak
ya.
kalau nggak, I used to be very active, ya, very active. I make books, I teach Korean students, and then becoming PNS, terus nggak ngapa-ngapain di kantor. Udah, and after 8 years, I quit. I resign from
Hmm.
PNS, ya, gitu. Kenapa?
Hah?
Ada, ya. Kenapa? Dia bilang ini, di sini jadi PNS juga ditawarin kok, Pak, gitu. Karena di sini punya kualifikasi, terus ada ketua eh, waktu itu sih simple story, ya, gitu. Jadi
Mhm.
my father break his classes, rusak classesnya. Terus Misina ngajar
Iya.
di dekat kantor dia di Fatmawati. Misina ngajar di apartemen
Hmm.
Emerald waktu itu. Terus, duh kasihan nggak bisa meeting dia. Misina beliin tuh kacamata di Fatmawati. Udah gitu nunggu di kantornya.
Hmm.
Lagi nunggu Misina bikin-bikin buku. Memang dari dulu I like to make books. So my books are like 300 books maybe English book, ya. Misalnya
Nah.
lagi apa tulis-tulis, terus dia nanya bapak-bapak, ya, gitu pakai jas, kamu siapa gitu. Oh, I'm
Hmm.
Mr. Bakri's daughter gitu. Oh, Mr. Bakri's daughter, what are you doing here? He said like that, and then I'm waiting my father because my father glasses was broken, and then I want to give the new one. Oh, okay, okay. And then he asked me, what are you making? Gitu. Karena Misina sambil nulis terus, ya. Karena habis itu Misina harus ngajar, Kak,
Oh.
gitu. Kalau ngajar Korea tuh
Aha.
Misina selalu punya preparation. Oh, this is I make preparation for teaching English to my Korean students.
Nah.
Ngajar, kata dia gitu. Iya, ngajar. Ngajar siapa? Ngajar orang-orang Korea. Ngajar apa? Kata dia. Bahasa Indonesia. No, no, no. I teach English. Oh, and then you are making English book, kata dia gitu. Iya, gitu. Oh, oke, oke. And then he said, Pak Bakri is in that room. Oh iya, Pak, nggak apa-apa. I wait here aja, gitu kan. So, I wait here.
Mhm.
Dan 3 hari sesudahnya, 3 days after,
Mhm.
ya, my dad call me.
Hmm.
Nina, kamu bikin kartu kuning, kamu bikin surat keterangan baik, bla bla bla, kamu harus daftar PNS. Why? I don't want to become PNS.
Hah?
Ya, gak kepikir, Pak. I'm very busy. Udah
Iya,
banyak
iya.
murid gitu. Kadang-kadang ngajar aja tuh sampai jam 10 malam gitu. Terus kenapa harus
Iya.
jadi PNS? Cuman my dad, kamu kemarin ketemu siapa di kantor? Hah? Agak lupa kan, ya. Terus, oh ada bapak-bapak
Mhm.
nanya. ternyata dia itu kepala pusat kepala pusat Depdiknas. Ya, so, oh iya, iya. Jadi Pak Dasuki minta kamu jadi PNS nanti 2 minggu lagi kamu tes gitu. Bener Pak. Di sini tuh kayak yang apa ya? I don't have dream to become PNS. Ya, I don't have that dream.
PNS. Iya, iya, iya.
Ya, for
Nggak
me,
kepikiran ya, Miss.
because my dad also teach us ya, my dad also teach us that we don't have to work, but we have the highest education. Harus punya pendidikan yang terbaik itu aja ya. Jadi nggak pernah kalau Eva, how is Eva? Mom said, Eva you have to work like that or no?
Yes.
Nah, oke, different ya, different treatment ya. Nggak apa-apa gitu. Itu bukan sesuatu yang ini ya. Kalau ibunya Misina ngajarin itu skill. Bisa masak,
Oh,
bisa ngurus mobil kalau rusak, bisa bangun rumah. Pokoknya keterampilan life skill. Itu I admire her a lot ya. Misina kagum banget sama ibuku ya. Nggak pernah dia nyuruh-nyuruh kerja atau apa. Tapi pokoknya ngajarin. Jadi ibu tuh catering. Kamu bantuin masak, belanja ke mana? Kramat Jati jam 2 pagi. Like that. Tetap berangkat sekolah ya. Nah, my dad itu mengirim kita ke sekolah terbaik. Ya, kita sekolahnya di lab school. Lab school itu sekolahnya anak-anak sama cucu-cucu presiden dulu ya. Dulu baru satu lab school ya, lab school yang inti gitu. Kayak gitu. Jadi kombinasi yang bagus ya. Yang satu ngajarin skill, yang satu apa? Education. Ya, in the best place ya. Tapi apakah semuanya nyuruh kita kerja? No. Just get your best one ya. Jadi nggak ada demand, nggak ada permintaan, nggak ada ini, nanti kita bergantung sama kalian. Saat itu apakah mereka kaya? Enggak, gitu. Tapi ya udah begitu aja gitu. My life kayak gitu aja ya. Jadi akhirnya I become PNS Pak. Ya. I become PNS. But then begitu di dalam, it was not busy. Ya, itu harus aduh from
gitu-gitu aja, Miss.
Yes ya. I was active girl ya udah gitu kalau misalnya dulu ngajarnya itu kan bisa kapan-kapan masih ada activity karena kan I'm still ini ya young ya at the time ya masih 20 years old ya 24 ya banyak activity tadinya gitu tapi jadi nggak bisa karena jadi PNS terus akhirnya udah punya anak terus karena sering dikirim ke luar negeri so I resign why because my merit can blow up ya you can imagine I have my first son ya 10 months baby 10 months I have to stay in Singapore 1 month coba ini apa di sini harus menyusui harusnya kan harus breastfeeding ya I cannot do that Eva it's okay ya private students itu kayak gitu sebetulnya Eva sama seperti Miss Nina dengan murid-murid Korea Miss Nina sama dengan other students yang Miss Nina udah teach di GE ya untuk apa begitu muridnya kenal ya kita bisa lebih